Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Duolingo subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and open up my particular Duolingo app. As soon as you've done that, I'm here in my profile. You won't find the profile tab at the bottom right away like it used to. So yeah, now you have to tap on this three dot at the bottom right and tap on profile. Now your profile will see over here. Now you can see, are you safe from Duo? Look back at 24 and so now you will find this kind of interface, and you can see I haven't taken the subscription yet for it. And so from over here you can tap on this little settings icon on top right corner and tap on this option of restore subscription. So in the subscription section, if you have taken subscription, you will find the option of simply subscription settings, and then you're going to tap on the subscription setting right over there. Then right over here you will find your plan and the cancel subscription option listed at the bottom as well. Simply go ahead, tap on this option of cancel subscription, and it will simply ask you to provide some verification, because it can be anybody if it's simply that allows. So verify yourself right over there and simply add in your password maybe for that, and then you can cancel your subscription by reconfirming. That's how easy it is to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.